Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to talk about something that can truly transform your life, focusing on long-term goals. These goals are the key to unlocking your full potential and achieving the dreams you've always had. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life with its endless to-do lists and constant demands. But it's those long-term goals that can really propel you to the next level, giving you a sense of purpose and direction. First, let's talk about why long-term goals are so important. They serve as a roadmap for your life, guiding you through the twists and turns. Long-term goals give your life direction and meaning. They act as a compass, pointing you towards your true north. They help you stay motivated and committed even when things get tough. When you have a clear goal in mind, it's easier to push through obstacles and stay focused. Imagine a ship without a destination. It just drifts aimlessly, right? It just drifts aimlessly. Right? That's what life is like without long-term goals. You end up going through the motions without any real sense of purpose. That's what life is like without long-term goals. You end up wandering through life without a clear path or direction. So, how can you stay focused on these goals? It all starts with having a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Well, it all starts with having a clear vision. Take some time to really think about what you want to achieve. Visualize your future and what it looks like. Take some time to really think about what you want to achieve. Write it down. Putting your goals on paper makes them more tangible and real. Create a vision board if you need to. This visual representation can serve as a daily reminder of what you're working towards. The clearer your vision, the easier it will be to stay on track. A well-defined goal acts like a beacon, guiding you through the fog of daily distractions. Next, break your long-term goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process feel less overwhelming and more achievable. This can make the process feel less overwhelming and more achievable. Each small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You wouldn't just leap to the top, would you? You wouldn't just leap to the top, would you? You take it one step at a time, carefully planning your route and making steady progress. You take it one step at a time. Each step, no matter how small, is progress. Celebrate those small victories along the way. They are milestones that keep you motivated and remind you of how far you've come. They are milestones that keep you motivated. Each small win is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Another key tip is to stay flexible. Life is unpredictable and sometimes things won't go as planned. That's okay. Life is unpredictable and sometimes things won't go as planned. That's okay. Flexibility allows you to adapt and overcome obstacles. Be ready to adjust your plans and keep moving forward. Flexibility is key to navigating the unexpected twists and turns of life. Remember, setbacks are just setups for comebacks. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow and learn. Don't let a bump in the road derail your entire journey. Use it as a learning experience and keep pushing forward. And let's not forget the power of accountability. Sharing your goals with others can provide the support and encouragement you need to stay on track. Share your goals with friends or family. Their support can be invaluable in helping you stay committed and motivated. Find a mentor or join a community of like-minded individuals. Surrounding yourself with people who share your goals can provide additional motivation and accountability. When others know about your goals, you're more likely to stay committed. The collective energy of a supportive community can propel you forward. Lastly, always keep your why in mind. Why did you set this goal in the first place? What is the deeper purpose behind it? Why did you set this goal in the first place? Reflect on the reasons that motivated you to pursue this path. What will achieving it mean to you? Visualize the impact it will have on your life and the lives of those around you. Your why is your fuel. It keeps you going when times get tough and reminds you of the bigger picture. When times get tough, and they will, remember your why to reignite your passion and drive. Your why is the fire that keeps you moving forward. So take a moment today and really think about your long-term goals. Reflect on what you want to achieve and why it's important to you. Write them down, break them into steps. Stay flexible and remember your why. These steps will help you stay focused and committed to your journey. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. Your support helps us create more content to inspire and motivate you. Let's unlock our potential together. Thank you for watching. Stay focused, stay motivated and keep pushing towards your long-term goals.